Hello all and welcome to Box Stock Modeling. Today we're building the fantastic Nissan R390 GT1. Another great kit from Tamiya. Body's crisply molded. These decals aren't part of the kit, so we're going to toss them aside. Get decals, the instructions. Really a great kit, and I'm going to be building this car as the 1997 Lemans pre-qualifying car, so a lot of the decals won't be used. The reason for that is some of the decals in my kit were damaged. Oh, you can see a wheel there. Wheels are set and finished, look really nice. I like to wash all of the model parts with a little Dawn and some water just to remove any mold grease that might be there. Just my practice. Sanding the seams with a fine grit sanding stick. The seams on this body were actually pretty minimal. The fit is great between the engine hatch and the main body. I primed the body with a little Tamiya gray primer. This is where it kind of all went wrong for me with this build. Got the primer on a little heavy. My can was running out of propellant and it started to splotch a little bit. You can see right here I'm pointing to where the run was. So we're going to have to take care of that with a little wet sanding. If you've never wet sanded before, it's pretty slick and easy. A little 600 grit wet and dry paper, a little water. Just gentle pressure and go slow. I was able to pretty much sand out. So here I like to heat up my paint in a little warm water, hot water out of the tap. Just makes it spray a little better. I've coated the body with black gloss. To be honest, I should have left it this way, but some of my references showed a matte finish to the pre-qualifying car, so that's the direction I'm going to go. There's a lot of engine detail coming up. The kit does a great job of representing this. The engine block was coated with a little Tamiya silver leaf paint. Looks pretty good, but needs some detail. lazy and like to use a Sharpie marker to fill in the radiator grates. Just makes it fast and easy, and with a little panel line fluid, details nicely. The interior went together without any problem. The fit was great. Some of the parts were a little fiddly with the suspension, but in the end went together well. A good bit of this detail won't be visible in the completed model, but it sure is nice to look at it now. Here I'm attaching the valve covers to the engine block. There's not a lot of parts to this system, but it sure does look good with a little wash applied. The turbochargers were detailed with some black wash and a little red paint. They look convincing. So here's my matte painted body. I simply sprayed a satin finish over my gloss body. Quite a few wrinkles with that one. Not sure I'd go that route again. Take your time though when fitting the body to the chassis. It's a little fiddly. That engine detail sure does look fun. Really a great job by Tamiya. The wheels took a little bit of force to press into the urethane bushings. Just take your time here. It's done. So a satin paint job shows every single little wrinkle and crack and pinhole. So just be aware if you were going to finish your car like this. I thought in the end it looked kind of cool. Different from the box art. But if I were to do it again, I would have taken more time on the body and probably just left it a gloss back finish. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time.